morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my two sons the trade. As you see, they're not here today. They're in school. For today's plumbing adventure, we're going to be installing a Lux heat-only thermostat. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. And for this next adventure, we'll be installing a Lux Pro 5-year limited warranty. We're going top of the line, George. Smart thermostat.
What's that do?
No, that's just
Make it easy to work.
yeah, it's a digital.
Just
All right.
a little round one will do.
Nah, this is actually basic.
Okay, good.
All right. All right, baby. Comes with little stickers.
Stickers?
Low voltage only. All right, that's what we like to hear. All right. Little secret spot right in the hallway. Oops. Get crazy.
Sure you can't put 220 on it?
There we go, baby. Oh yeah. Nice. Put one in my shop. So,
Is it?
yeah. Get my level. Your standard 24 volt thermostat. Of course it's crooked, Georgie.
Oh, I got a torpedo though. That's,
There you go, another F-bomb.
oh,
That ain't right. Ah, no wonder it's crooked. Oh God, I'm a goon.
there is it.
Perfect now. You're not allowed near the camera, brother. You're not allowed to talk. Why? Tell them why. Too many F-bombs. Trash mouth. Red goes to RH. And white goes to white. W here. You only need a special screwdriver here.
The what?
Normally on the T87s, man, I gotta use this little thing.
Yeah.
But
we
this
always
one,
had to use it.
yeah, this one, negative. You can go right to the regular screwdriver. Oh yeah, baby. Come on.
Yeah, they do make it a little bit easier now.
Yeah. Drop the jumper out of there. And white. Come on. You can, yeah.
No, I don't want no timer.
Oh no, it's just heat only.
Yeah.
But you can program it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
These are actually nice, man, you know. Oh, here, hold that one second.
Got it.
Let me cut this string out here. Just drops in like so. Come on now. Now, let's set the time.
I'm gonna take the time, right?
Yeah. Rotate. Set.
15.
All right, hold on. Set time. And press up to change day. Okay. What's today? Oh, today is Monday. All right. What time? To set time. Rotate down to set daytime. It's that. Press up to change day. Press next button. Oh, okay, next. Here we go. What time is it?
12:15. I mean 2:15.
All right. PM. There we go, bro. 2:15 p.m.
Maybe 2:16 by now. That's good.
All right. 2:16. All right.
Set
Set.
or hold.
Press the next button. Bang. Monday's next. All right, set. That's all auto. Heat. Let's turn the heat on.
So if I hit this, this will disappear and it'll go back to 60.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
All right. All right. So we're up and running. We set everything at 60.
Yeah, set at 60. That's
All right. Unoccupied apartment right now. There we are. We're all set. Why is the fan blinking?
Why is it what?
The fan. We don't have a fan.
I know, I was just going to say that's for air, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, so now you got it on.
Yeah. I don't know why it does that. Heat only. There you have it. We installed the thermostat. It was working right on point. A little easier to install than a T87 because of the screw. I have my special well-McLean screwdriver that you get with your boiler installs, and I didn't even need that screwdriver. I could use a regular 4-in-1. So it was a nice install. Pretty simple, and it was working when we left. So with that, we will see you at the next one.